guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, house reviews, you name it. So if this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay join us to the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my return supporters. I love you guys a lot. Thank you for coming back and support me. And I'd like to say happy new year's for everyone. If this is my post video to go up for the new year, I hope you guys have a wonderful 2023. Happy new year's everyone. So today's video we're going to be unbox our base box for Boxycharm. I wasn't able to upload a couple of I think December Boxycharm because I informed them that I was going to be out of work for 3 or 4 weeks for some personal stuff, and so I couldn't get to. I have the box but I couldn't upload it, so I'm sorry. But let's unbox this beauty and start 2023 on the schedule with our base box. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty box subscription that you pay $27.99 and you get a box every month with 5 full-size products with many fabulous brands, and they have makeup, skincare, tools, you name it. And they have different box, they have premium, they have luxe, and I'm gonna have the link for them down below if you guys decided to check them out. January Boxycharm theme is going to be so fresh and so clean. Love that. And I am clean face because we have some skin product here we're going to be trying. So the first product here is going to be the palette. I'm gonna skip the palette and I'm gonna go to the serum because I know it's a serum here or a primer. Yeah, it's Earth Harbor Natural Clarity Ampoule. The answer to find the peaceful energy and the light within your skin, both a potent clarifying treatment and a gentle glow enhancing elixir. This ampoule is featuring feather light flash absorbing formula specifically designed to help distressed skin prone to acne, blemish, and excess of oil. And this beauty here retail for $46. Excited. So let's try this beauty. Ooh, look how beautiful this look. I have like a 2 tones. So this is the product. Look how beautiful this look. So let's try. So I don't have any makeup on, so we can try some of this product here with you guys and have the first impression. The product is almost scentless. I don't smell like nothing. Wow, absorbed really fast and they leave your skin really soft, glowy, but not like with a grease feeling or nothing. Love it. Love the product. So this is our first product for base box for January of 2023. Our next product here is going to be Persona Cosmetic Balm Tinted Lip Balm. Alright, so I'm going like with the product so we can try as we go. I'm not following like the list they have there. Like this. Okay, and here you have the shade. Let's try this beauty here and then I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about it. Ooh, delicious. Love it. Let's read a little bit about a sheer lightweight tinted lip balm packed with nourishing ingredients designed for feel good comfort anytime, anywhere. And this beauty here is from Persona Cosmetic and retails for $22. Love it. So far 10 for 10. Alright, so our next product here is going to be try the True Luscious Angel Eye Primer. Alright, so this is like eyeshadow primer. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit to the back of my hand and I'm gonna pick up from here. Nice, I like it. Normally I like to use like concealer for my eyeshadow primer, but I really like this one. Cool, like it. A hydrating eye primer that locks in the eyeshadow and concealer for a crease-proof, non-smudgy wear for up to 16 hours. A tinted formula that corrects redness and creates an even canvas that intensifies the vibrance of the powder and cream shadow, infused with soothing damascene rose extract, as well as bentonite clay that naturally balance oil and form a protective barrier on the makeup. And this beauty here is from True Luscious and retails for $22. I'm going to do my makeup base really quick and be right back with you guys. Okay, alright guys, so I went out of the camera and I used the Wonder Beauty palette. It is stunning, very beautiful. Alright, and I've created this quick lilac look. And this beauty here is the Sweetscape from Wonder Beauty. Send yourself on a Sweetscape with this perfectly curated collection of matte and shimmery, neutral and bold shades that takes you effortless from a day to play whenever you wonder. This beauty here retails for $42. Is exclusive drop for Boxycharm, so the look beautiful. Sorry I didn't do in camera because the time was going to be too long. So now we're going to try this beautiful China Bee Miami Creamy Blush. This ultra velvet cream blush give you a natural looking blush. It's less long formula. Apply easily and blend quickly and seamless finish. This beauty retails for $18 and a new brand to Boxycharms. So this we can do in camera because we can do fast. Okay, very pretty. Like the blush, pretty. What you guys think? Alright, and this was all for Boxycharm, our first Boxycharm of the year. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.